Assalamualaikum and a very good morning to all of you. Hope you guys are doing well. Inshallah today I'll be continuing with the topic that is stem and leaf plots. In the previous lesson I told you guys what basically this is, how to plot a stem and leaf diagram, what is it composed of, इसमें क्या क्या होता है. So before I move on to the splitting of stem and leaf plots, के बेसिक split stem leaf plots क्या होते हैं, हम पहले एक दफ़ा रिव्यू कर लेते हैं what we have done in the last class. I'm going to read it from the article uploaded by Khan Academy. Inshallah I'll be forwarding it and I'll be uploading it on your Khan Academy classrooms as well. So let's start. A stem and leaf plot basically is a display of numerical data by splitting each data points into leaves. हमने बात स्टडी की थी कि बेसिकली स्टेम और लीफ क्या होता है. स्टेम्स में हम बेसिकली क्या करते हैं, हमारे पास जो नंबर्स होते हैं उनकी टेंस प्लेसेस को कॉमन लेकर लिस्ट कर देते हैं. अगर देखा जाए यू हैव द नंबर 17, 18, 20, 25, 28, 34, 34, 37, 38, 50. What I have done is that I have taken common numbers in the tens place. Like if you see here, I have the common number between these two, common number in the tens place between these two numbers as 1. So I've written it over here. And then in the second group I have 2 as the common number in the tens place, and I've written it over here. And then you can see that we are given 3 in the tens place of these two numbers, and so I've taken 3 as the common tens place number over here. Like if you see, we have 34, 34, 37, 38. So between these four numbers we have 3 coming in the tens place. So I've taken 3 as the common and I've written it out over here. Similarly, we have no number with the 4 or no number having 4 in the tens place. Then we have one number having 5 in the tens place. So what I'm going to do is that what we are basically doing in stem and leaf plot, we are writing the common 10th place number, common number coming in the 10th place in the stem part. We know that this is the stem part. This is the stem part, and the other part is basically your leaf part. What is basically your leaf part? Your leaf part is nothing but the numbers coming in the ones place. As told to you guys earlier in the earlier video, that your stem can vary between 1 or 2 to 3 digits, but your leaf part has to have only 1 digit. आपके leaf part में सिर्फ एक ही digit हो सकता है, because you're going to write the numbers in the leaf part which are basically coming in your units place. मतलब जो भी numbers आपके पास ऊपर given है, जितने भी आपके पास नंबर्स आ रहे हैं यूनिट्स प्लेस में. लाइक इन 17 यू हैव द नंबर 7 कमिंग इन द यूनिट्स प्लेस. इन नंबर 18 you have the number 8 coming in your units place. So similarly in the other numbers, like in 2025, whichever numbers are coming in the units place, I'll be writing them down in the leaf part. Now how will I write it? For example, if I see between these two numbers 17 and 18, 1 was the common number coming in the 10th place, so I wrote it over here once. Then whichever numbers were coming in the units place in these two numbers, like if you see 7 is coming and 8 is coming, having the common 10th place number, that is 1, so I'll be writing 1 as the common number out, and then the number in the unit place, that is 7 over there. Then again 1, that is the 10th the number coming in the 10th place outside in the stem column, and then you will be writing the 8 that is coming in the units place in this number inside the leaf part. So you can see it here, that is 1 and then 7, that is your 70. Then again 1 already out common there, then you get 18. Similarly it continues with the same thing if you go for 2025. Similarly, for the numbers like 20, 25, 28, we know that the common number coming in the 10th place is basically the 2. So I will write that 2 one time outside it. and then whichever numbers are coming in the ones place or in the units place, I'll be writing them inside in the leaf part. So here you can see 2 and the 0, then 2 and the 5, 2 and the 8. So in this way I'll be doing the I'll be making a stem and leaf plot for the numbers having common number 3 in the tens place, and similar will be happening for the 5. Now we discussed an important thing in the last class, in the last video, that we have to follow a range. ऐसा नहीं होगा मैंने अपने 1 लिखा, 2 लिखा और 3 I had no number for the 4 and I'll just jump on to 5. No, I have to go in a sequence. I can't jump on numbers. It can't be like 1, 2, 3 and 5, because this does not make sense. This series or this sequence makes no sense. So you have to take care of the sequence. Secondly, if you have no number having the 4, then you will just leave that place empty. Then I also discussed that you have to keep the numbers in the numerical order. What do I mean by this thing? If you see, I can't write numbers randomly here in the leaf part. I have to make sure that I'm writing the numbers in the ascending order. I'm first writing the numbers that are smaller, then the numbers that are the biggest. If you see, I've written 7 here, and then comes the 8. There is 0, 5 and the 8. There is 4, 4, 7, 8. You do not see that 8 is coming first and then the 4 is coming at the last. No, you have to make sure that you're following the numerical order. And then the last important thing is that, for example, I know that this group of numbers have the common number coming in the tens place, that is 2. So whichever numbers are coming in the units place, I will be writing those numbers in front of that 2 itself. ऐसा नहीं होगा अगर हमारे पास 0, 5 और 8 आ रहे हैं इन दोज नंबर विच इज हैविंग 2 इन द टेंथ प्लेस, हम इन नंबर्स को यहाँ नहीं लिख देंगे. मतलब जिन नंबर्स में ये जिन कह लें कि नंबर्स में ये डिजिट्स आ रहे हैं यूनिट्स प्लेस में, उन्हीं नंबर्स के सामने ही लिखना है. सो यू हैव टू मेक श्योर यू नॉट मेकिंग मिस्टेक्स ओवर देयर. सो आई होप इट्स क्लियर टू एवरीबॉडी. So you guys can see how they have done it. First they have broken up the numbers into 2 parts, 10th place and the 1st place, and then they have seen which numbers are having the common the common digit in the 10th place. Then they have taken the common digit out, that's 1 here, 2 here, 3. There is no number having the 4 in the 10th place, but then I just told you have to follow the sequence. Then by looking at the numbers coming in the units place, I'll be putting those numbers up here. As we see that the numbers having the 1 in the tens place have the numbers 7 and 8 digit in the units place, so I wrote them in front of the number 1, and so it continued for 0, 5, 8, 4, 4, 7, 8, 0 as well. Then now after making a stem and leaf plot, the main thing without which the stem and leaf plot will make no sense is the key. As I discussed earlier that we can also represent decimal numbers in the form of a stem and leaf diagram. It's very important to represent what basically our stem and leaf diagram is telling us about. So here this 1 and 8 tells us that 1, 8 is basically 18 pair of roots. So I hope it's clear to everybody. Before we go to our book, I'll be explaining you guys something about split stem leaf plots. For example, let's suppose if I have too many numbers having the common 10th place digit 1, like 18, then I have 16, then I have 19, let's suppose I have 11, 12, 13, then I have 14, then 20, 25. Let's suppose we have this group of numbers, and if you want to draw a stem and leaf diagram like this, so my first step is basically to recognize the place value. If you guys have a good hand in this, you don't need to do it separately, but for beginners I would recommend you guys first putting up the place value. So if we have ones, tens, ones, tens, let's suppose we have ones, tens again, ones, tens, 32 ones, tens. So now I put all the place values over here. Now my second step, as discussed over here, what I'll do is that I will be first